Kiinteistöskeyhtiö Heinolan Vuoripuisto.
Also today, here on the 14th of July 2025, we have Vuorikatu 10 in Heinola, Finland. 1973, Simrace H29368, quite 6 months. And 2 rides here.
Yeah.
And the stop and alarm buttons are here, they are dark green and dark red.
Yeah. Is feedbacki vain nyt me eteenpäin Kone.
Oh, that was nice to smell here.
Same here.
Yeah, that's a nice wooden interior.
Yeah. Only the ceiling was modernized in 2018, but otherwise it's original.
But maybe these walls have been upgraded also
Yeah.
in the 90s, but the brass here.
Yeah.
I think in the early 1990s.
Yeah.
Because it looks like it.
That's